Sam, what do you get excited about?
Well, strangely, what excites me is just really just abuts the parts that scare me the most. I think what is nice about this conversation, in particular about the alignment problem, is that it's forcing us to realize that there are better and worse answers to questions of human value. And as someone said, perhaps at this last meeting in Puerto Rico, that we really have to do philosophy on a deadline. And we have to admit to ourselves that there are better and worse answers, and we have to converge on the better ones. And what would excite me about actually the birth of superintelligent AI, one of the things, apart from solving obvious problems like curing disease and energy issues and all the rest, but is perhaps differs a little bit with what Stuart said. I'm not so worried about idiocracy or all of us just losing our way as apes and living unproductive lives in dialogue with these oracles. I think actually I would want a truly value-aligned superintelligence to incrementally show us not merely conserve what we want, but show us what we should want, to keep improving our values so that we can navigate in the space of all possible experiences and converge on better and better ones.